This review is of Bhagwati's recipes of Gujarat, Dudhi, Thelpa. I think I said that right. Sorry if I got it wrong, Indians. And it's tasty, supposedly. No onions or garlic, which is nonsense, because there are some people that have become convinced that you don't need onions or garlic if you are a vegan, and that is just wrong. You still need them. They help to regulate cholesterol because your body makes cholesterol, and so on and so forth. There's really nothing that I can tell you about this product otherwise. There's the little blurb right up there and directions in French and English for cooking, and the ingredients underneath that. It does have wheat and sesame in it, and then we have the nutrition facts. Okay, so when I tried to rip off the top, it wouldn't rip, so I cut it. But still, even though I cut it, and it's got a resealable strip, you know, kind of like a Ziploc thing there, zipper, but still, if I don't cut it like really super close, because the machine that they use sealed it wrong. It sealed it really, really close to the zipper. So I had to do that. And keep in mind that this has got 2 pieces, has 260 calories, 12 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, no cholesterol, 560 milligrams of sodium, 31 grams of carbs, of which only 3 are dietary fiber, and 3 are total sugars, of which 1 of those is added sugars, and there's 6 grams of protein. So, you know, this is not a healthful food, but so much food you buy in a packages. And hold on while I cook this up. Okay, so I've got them ready. They're very easy because they're fully cooked already. All you gotta do is heat them up 10 seconds each side in a pan. You don't need oil or anything because they're already oily. And as you can see, there's lots of different kinds of stuff mixed into the batter. So despite the lack of items from the alum family, it's nice. They're pretty dry, but very flexible, as you can see. I'll give them a 7. Thank you very much for watching. It's just kind of got a nice herbal flavor to it. I hope you have a great day.